Let's learn 10 greetings you can use to start a conversation like a native speaker. Hi, a casual and friendly way to say hello.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, slightly more formal than hi, good for meetings or calls.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hey, very casual, often used with friends.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning, use it before noon.
Good morning, ready for the meeting?
Good afternoon, use it after 12 p.m. in casual or formal situations.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. How was your day?
Good evening, perfect for evening greetings or events.
Good evening, I'm glad you could come.
How's it going? A casual way to ask how someone is doing.
Hey John, how's it going?
What's up? Very casual, mostly for friends.
Hi, what's up today?
Nice to meet you. Use it when meeting someone for the first time.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
How are you? A classic greeting to ask about someone's well-being.
Hello, how are you today?
Practice these 10 greetings today and use them in real conversations.